but also where does all this inflammation coming from? Okay, so you have stress and adrenal fatigue, and because of that adrenal fatigue, you have lower levels of the hormone cortisol, which if you've seen my 4 videos about adrenal chaos, and I highly recommend you go back and look at those, is that adrenal fatigue and low levels of cortisol. Cortisol is an anti-inflammatory hormone. What else is that? What else would cause inflammation in the body here? Are food allergies or food sensitivities that you may have, infections, toxic burdens, allergies, airborne allergies, and also the gut lining health, okay, which we'll get to a little later. So the 5th pillar is this here, the immune pillar, or the immune burdens on the body. Now this is dealing with both past and present infections, okay, bacterial, viral infections, yeast and fungus infestations, parasitic infestations. Okay, so again, both past and present infestations, things you've dealt with in the past, things you are maybe currently dealing with right now. Okay, these are all burdens to the immune system. Okay. Also, we're looking at things that are on a subclinical level, infections that are there that maybe you aren't realizing that are there. Okay, you may not be showing these outward signs and symptoms of having an infection. Okay, so these subclinical things that are there that are putting a burden on that immune system. But also heavy metals are classified in this pillar. So these heavy metals are putting a burden on the immune system. But also the health of the gut lining. Again, we're going to get back to, or we'll get to that here soon, but that is a very important aspect of the immune system. And when that's unhealthy, it puts a tremendous burden on the immune system and on the body. Number 6, as far as the pillar, is the circulatory pillar. Now, this determines, good circulation is going to determine tissue nutrition and oxygen levels. So if this pillar is not working correctly, then you're going to have your cells being affected as far as how much nutrition they're able to get, how much oxygen they're able to get, how much waste material they're able to remove. Okay. So also this circulatory pillar is dealing with blood quality, blood vessel health, okay, so the vascular health, but also working with this pillar, we're going to help facilitate repair of the heart muscle, the heart valves, circulation of the heart, circulation within the body, but also the electrical system of the heart, that electrical system that helps the heart to have a regular heartbeat. Okay, we'll be addressing those things. In the last pillar, number 7 here, the digestive pillar, this is digestive potency. So this is very important because we want to improve this pillar so that you improve the absorption of nutrients and the removal of waste from your body. Okay, so this is also important, like I said earlier, that 70 to 80% of your immune system is found within the gut here, okay, within the digestive system. Okay, they also kind of nicknamed the digestive system the second brain because it has so many neurological connections there. Okay, it has more nerve endings than the spinal cord has. Okay, so this is a very important pillar here. But when addressing this, we want to address the 4 R's of gut repair, okay, or gut restoration. All right, and that's just a 4R program from the functional medicine perspective. And so we want to remove any unfriendly organisms that may be living here, that may be thriving here, that have become more prominent. All right, so unfriendly bacteria, unfriendly yeast, candida, things of that nature. Also, we want to remove any food allergies that you may have, food sensitivities that you may have, okay? We also want to replace any digestive enzymes and also hydrochloric acid, all right, to help improve the efficiency of digestion. Also, we want to re-inoculate the gut with friendly organisms, okay? We want to replenish those friendly organisms, those good guys, those good guys that work for you, okay, and you benefit from them being in there. So this is, but also we want to add to the gut the food that these organisms, these good healthy organisms need. So we're looking at the probiotics and the prebiotics. All right. Also, you want to repair the wall lining of the GI tract, okay, with specific foods, nutritional products to help that lining to start repairing. Okay, there's an umbrella term called leaky gut syndrome. Okay, you can have a leaky gut when that wall is unhealthy. All right, and that just leads to all kind of different crazy, unhealthy things to go on in the body. All right. Also, in this digestive pillar is, of course, liver detoxification. Okay, so we got to hit all these pillars and build on all these pillars. When you start hitting these core pillars, the magic starts happening. Your body will start to function the way God designed it to function, and it will start to heal and repair and change the things that have been going wrong with you and with your health. It is absolutely amazing. I do this on a daily basis with patients, and it still blows my mind on how the body can just heal itself when you give it the right opportunity. Working with these 7 pillars gives the body that opportunity. Okay. Now, if you notice on these 7 pillars here, there's 3 of them that are underlined in red. Now, this is important because I kind of look at these 3 as being a priority to me in the care that I give to patients. 3 things that we have to definitely focus on, and that's the endocrine pillar here, the digestive pillar, and the immune burden pillar. Okay, these are 3 things. They're all important. And if you notice, they all work together, but they all work separately also. So they all work separately, but they also play a role in influencing each other. Okay? But there's 3 that I look at as a priority to really get the ball going for that person, that patient. Okay? So I hope this helps you understand more about what it is that I do with patients, what it is that I do in my office. Okay? We do a lot of weight loss programs, as you see on my website, but also I see all kind of other things, other health issues that people are dealing with, and I help to take care of them by going through these different pillars here.